Disney This Day, I'm Egon Bonkers, and on this day in 2001, the premiere of Atlantis, The Lost Empire, was held at the Capitan Theatre in Los Angeles, California. Set in 1914, linguist Milo finds a sacred book that he and a crew of mercenaries used to locate the mythical city of Atlantis. Guests of the star-studded event viewed an interactive exhibition called Destination Atlantis. It had film props, video games, laser tag, and details about the legend of Atlantis. The Aquarium of the Pacific even loaned a collection of real fish for display throughout the exhibit, and this was 25 years ago today. Were you there? I wasn't. I'd like to, though. Anyway, have a magical day.